guys and girls. Yung 20 pesos every visit yon.
Yun po yung sa akin, sa pagpatimbang po, tax 20.
Every time po yon. Thank you. So guys, there's a fee every time you make some bakira lang po. This could be my first time, guys and girls, to transact here for my empty boxes, but I don't like their procedures because once they weigh your boxes, you are the one to take it off on the weighing scale, and then you will put it on the other side, and then there's a charge of 20. So anyway, because the junk shop that I've been selling there in Taytay was closed and they will open, but they didn't inform me that they will close there. They didn't inform me yesterday, so when I passed by here I tried, but it's bulk transactions, but they still assist me. Anyway, it's okay. But for now, Happy New Year.